Hello designer, welcome to DesignCoach. In this tutorial, we are designing a interactive mobile menu. How to design a mobile menu. In the last part, we designed the header component, and now in this part, we are designing a mobile menu. First of mobile menu, I need a tabular icon. I just go to the tabular icons and selecting some parameter customize icon size. I need 32 pixels and 1.5 stroke. I just select menu 3 line, just copy, and in the icon I go here, paste. After pasting, copy the name of menu and paste here, convert it into component so we can use it repeated. For this I need use the header component. In the header component I select and detach this instance. After detaching this header, I use copy this menu and put into the header and select. For the mobile menu, we need a height of and width of its size 390 I use for mobile menu. In the mobile menu, I need to decrease 24 pixels. Okay, here is the header version of desktop and here is the header version of mobile. I just naming it mobile, and in this I will create frame and add the padding 8 pixel by 8. So this will be create a perfect 40 into 40 square. I just give the color of this gray 500. So selected this, and here is the, I can just say menu. Okay, this one is the for the mobile and this one is for the header. So I just rename it desktop, and here is the name of mobile, and I just create a component. So by selecting this and this desktop, I'm going to add as a variant, combine as a variant, and I will name it header. Now we are going to the wireframe, and if you can see here we have the header part, and after the selecting we just replace the mobile. See, it will be converted into mobile. So how we can use this menu? I'm selecting one frame for the mobile desktop. Okay, we select and we select 390. You can use any frame from this and add as your requirement. For the responsive design, we need a responsive menu. By selecting this, I just uh, copy and paste into here. After pasting here, I just replace it into mobile. See, you can see here is our mobile menu header. So by selecting this menu, you can change it whenever you have to be changed. And for this, we now move to a component, and here we can just change the property. Here is the select property and customize it. We name it device. Now we have one desktop version menu and one is our mobile menu. Friends, if you found this tutorial very helpful, then please like and share and subscribe to my channel, and the design file I already shared in the descriptions. Thank you.